So I drew her on my
Mm-hmm.
Procreate, and then I just turned it into an SVG in Adobe.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is a bundle of, oh, that's the video. This one is a bundle of, is it 6 different ones? I can't remember.
Mm-hmm.
So most of them have froze, and I think I have a couple with some Afro puffs. There you go. There's a
Okay,
little
yeah.
puff.
Got a little style in it.
Yeah, and then so yeah, it's what, one, two, three, four, yeah, 6 of them, 6
Mm-hmm.
of them. And then I don't know if you this video really goes fast, but you can put different patterns in them, right? So you can either just print this
Mm-hmm.
and press it on a shirt or whatever you want to do with it, or you can just have it as this black image, and
Okay.
whenever you cut it, you just cut it with the material that you want to cut it with.
Mm-hmm. You know
Yeah.
what I see? Even though she's a mermaid and she's probably in the water all the time, the hair
Mm.
doesn't get messed up.
Mm-mm. The hair stay intact.
The hair stays. You know, black women, they love their hair. You're not
Yeah,
gonna mess her hair up. You're not gonna
yeah,
mess up a black woman's hair. That's not gonna
right. Mm-mm. You're not gonna do that. You're not gonna do that. Here's another one. These are all, I drew all of these.
Okay, cool.
So this one is an SVG, but it's also a PNG. So if anybody wanted to, so PNGs, you have, it's highly detailed, right? So
Yes.
the shading and the highlighting and all of that stuff that you see on her face, you wouldn't get that in the SVG. You have to use, whatever uh vinyl that you're using, right? Just
Hmm.
brown, but you won't see in your brown vinyl, you're not going to get highlights, right?
Yep.
So SVGs are just straightforward, one color, multiple colors, you pressing on, having the layers and all that. But with the
Hmm.
PNG, you can see all of the highlights, and it will print just as one image, right? So
Hmm.
this is one that I drew. Now these are, oh, like, oh, I can't remember when I did these. But it's been a while. There's another one
Okay.
of a pregnant mommy. Um Drew her too. And
Hmm.
then this one, actually this one is of my baby girl.
Oh,
Um
really?
yep, I drew her, and I actually made her a crochet outfit, and this is what
Hmm.
it was. It was purple and yellow.
Wow.
Made her a crochet outfit. So this was one of her pictures when she was born. Yep.
Okay. So
Yep. And I
which
turned it
one,
into a SVG.
so which one will be your bestseller?
Ooh, on Etsy. Because I don't advertise it, right?
Uh-huh.
I've sold these outside of Etsy, but the mermaids get a lot of attention, and actually, this one here, she gets a lot of attention as well.
Yeah, because a lot of people they like art like this where it's like minimalistic. Did I use
Right?
the right word for that? I'm,
Yeah.
I'm not trying to make words up, but
No, yeah, it's a word.
I wasn't I don't know if I should say valedictorian. That wouldn't be for men, right? What will be for
Yeah,
men when
it's still valedictorian. Yeah, that's just the first person in the high school class, and
oh,
then salutatorian is the second one. So that goes for men and women. Yeah.
oh, okay. So
Yeah.
I